Yard update. Did a cleanup. Uh, did a few things around. Filled up a few beds. Um, Switched a few things around. Created another building area. Well, not building area. Created another garden area to plant food, because that's what you always should be doing. Anytime you got a yard, find a spot where you can put some food down. Always. So look, we amended this soil. Drop some lettuce in this third bin. Remember, bin 1, 2, and 3, right? Amended this saw. Drop some worm castings from out the worm bin in the back. Well, the worm bin. We about to get rid of that and start another process of composting. Of course, here's the outlook of the other food area we will be utilizing to plant food or whatever we want to grow, right? Did that. Collapse one of those bins over there. Use that soil in there, over here, as well as right here. Look at the asparagus, came back jumping. Yet again, look. You heard me? I'm tweaking. I might go in and collect me some. You heard me? Not just messing with you. We ain't gonna do it, but they coming up, asparagus coming back up through there. Once again, uh, introduce the compost soil to this soil, which is already this has the compost soil up in here already. We just put some more. I don't know when I'm gonna be planting here, but we gonna plant something in here and see what we get and see if it works out for us. Okay? Okay, cool. Over here we added some more compost and stuff to this soil. As you can see, we have some seeds popping up. I don't know if you see that right there. One popped up right there. Another one is trying to come up right here. I hope you can see that one right here. That's trying to come up. No spinach just yet. I don't see, but we will see. And up here, we haven't seen any arugula pop up yet either. So we gonna keep on praying and hoping that we do. And back here, we had kale. So I'm thinking all these will be kale popping up back here. All right. And I need to get this out of here. That out of there. We don't need that. Get that out of the soil. Cool. Other than that, today has been good. Needless to say, hey, get a cat, man. Look, they all over. Needless to say, everything turned out well. We did a good job. And that's how it's going right now. So I hope you enjoyed the live today, both lives today, because I did 2 of them. Go check them out if you didn't. We'll be uploading some videos here shortly on some shows. My grandbaby been beating my wife in racing, so that's what we getting into, that's what we doing, and that's what we striving on. Stay tuned, stay focused, and stay in contact. Man, check the cat out. Just coming through. Ain't scared at all. He try to catch the birds. He got one on sight. He's stalking one. Look. Check the cat out. And stalk mode. Snow White. He about to go climb the tree or something. On stalk mode, man. Check him. Look, 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 look. I told you, it goes down in my yard, man. We be at walk. The cats and I, we done got together, decided we was gonna tag team on the birds. They said they was gonna help me. So I'm looking forward for the team support. All hands on deck. I got a nice little group. We gonna see what they talking about. We gonna see how many will try to come through. The cat is stalking in stalk mode and hiding, trying to see where the birds are. Look. What up? That's what we doing in the word backyard, man. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. You hear me? It's been a good day. Got some stuff done. Uh, we will start seeing something jump around here shortly, y'all. You hear me? But let me show y'all these. The mustard greens. I've been keeping them covered. So they growing. You hear me? They growing. Look like something been eating on them. You did, but they done popped up, y'all. So they gonna start coming through in a minute. You know what I'm talking about? Mustard greens. Oh, hold on, I'm tripping. They coming through. I'm gonna have to thin them out shortly. Had to come through and start thinning them out. But they doing what they need to do. There's a lot of them was in here, but we just be letting them grow. In this back row, I'm gonna put some peppers or tomatoes. Probably gonna be this probably be a whole pepper bin right here, y'all. I think that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Put a number of peppers up in here. And both of these empty slots. This gonna be the green row, and I'm just gonna keep it covered for the duration and keep the heat in here and to keep the bugs out. With the frost blanket, the frost covering, I need to get some more. But for right now, we doing well, man. So I hope and pray that you guys are enjoying the lives, enjoying the videos, enjoying the stuff that I've been dropping lately. If you don't mind, be so kind enough to drop a like on the videos. I would greatly appreciate it. You hear me? It does help get me in the algorithm. You understand what I'm saying? With the rest of the family. You hear me? Because we doing some break. Here go the other one. Look, I got a whole squad around here. We ain't playing. Got the bodyguard dog on the other side. Don't play with me. We souped up and ready this year. They say, oh yeah, we about to have some action. We about to have some action. We about to have some action. We ain't playing with them. We are not playing with none of them. We in the building. We're in the building. Stay tuned. Stay up to par. Come and tap in with me. Come check me out. Come check out the family. Stay tuned. Look at the cat over there. Look. Let me zoom up. Over there. Camouflage. Look. Camouflage. Ready for the birds to come out. On stalk mode. Cat is on stalk mode, man. You hear me? Look, I got low. It done got low. Damn. Sorry about the bad camera visual, but this all I got, y'all. The cat is on stalk mode. Check him out. Stay tuned, everybody. Peace and blessings. Shalom. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it, man. Be blessed, everybody. Talk to y'all later.